Hi, I'm Dawn from the Cradle of Life, and welcome to African Explorations. As you can see, I'm driving and we are in Nakuru County. And in this edition of African Explorations, we are exploring the Midland Hotel. So hope you guys are happy to take a journey with us or take a trip with us as we let you in on some of the secrets that makes the Midland Hotel absolutely special. So we finally made it down to the Midland Hotel. Now this hotel has such a rich history within Nakuru. It was established in 1906. I was not born, I was not thought of, and there's a lot of detail in here that encompasses way back when it first was established. Before we get into too much details about the Midland Hotel, we're going to check in and then we'll get into the nitty-gritty and give you a bit of details on what Midland is, what it has to offer, why you should come and stay over at the Midland Hotel. Reminding you as well, it is situated in the town of Nakuru City, and to my right here, it's just off the Nairobi-Nakuru highway. So perfect location, perfect ambience, perfect positioning. It's perfect in every aspect. And we'll tell you more why in a little while. Time to check in.
Welcome to the Midland Hotel, an oasis in the heart of Nakuru. Checking in is nothing short of simplicity, and the warm welcome refreshing.
Welcome. Thank you. Jambo, Bariako. Thank you so much. Asante, asante sana. Okay. Yes, checking in.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. Asante, I will. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, so we've made it into our room and we are actually in the signature wing. I'll give you more details on this part of the hotel in a bit. Room 425, which is one of the suites here at Midland Hotel. Also giving you more detail on that in a bit. It's a fantastic room, fantastic view. It's set so perfectly. But like I said, a bit more detail on everything within Midlands in a bit. For now, we're just going to refresh and then we'll take it over in the gardens and let you know what Midlands has to offer you.
Set upon the tranquility that any guest envisions, a visit to the Midland Hotel is sure to take you on a trip down memory lane with its rich history. Let's find out what sets this gem of an establishment apart.
Alright, so we've finally settled into the Midland Hotel, reminding you it is located in Nakuru City. Yes, Nakuru has become a city, and it's one of the oldest standing hotels. Now, it was opened in 1906, and if I can take you back to 1906 and let you know how far back that is, it was opened and it witnessed 2 world wars. It also witnessed the independence of Kenya and much, much more. So that's how old this beautiful hotel is. Now, obviously, they have done some different kinds of construction here and refurbished it and restored different parts of the Midlands Hotel and have actually made it a little bit more modern, but it still maintains the essence of the architecture that it initially had when it first opened. 1906 was the year for that. So initially, before it was called the Midland Hotel, it was actually known as the Nakuru Railway Hotel. I think a lot of us have visited this hotel at some point in our lives. It's always been here from our parents' generation, our generation. And I think the fact that it's still standing strong symbolizes quite a lot. And I'm sure it has a lot of memories for a lot of people. I do know my husband spent a lot of time in Midlands when he was a child. So he grew up in Nakuru, and this is part of our different memories and different experiences. So we're going to take you through the different parts of Midland Hotel, let you explore it, let you see it in its true essence and what it actually encompasses today in 2023. So we'll take you on a trip through the different wings, that is the accommodation. They do have the heritage wing. They also have the signature wing, the rooms that you can actually come and stay in when you arrive at the Midland Hotel. We're going to take you through the cuisine that they offer, and obviously the hospitality that is behind Midlands is second to none. So all those different aspects and different elements that makes the Midland Hotel the hotel for you to visit when you do come to Nakuru City, reminding you Nakuru County. When you come down to the Midlands Hotel, you have the option of choosing from two different wings for your accommodation. There's a heritage wing, but there's also the signature wing. And we'll start off with the heritage. It is the second oldest complex within the establishment, and it has 36 rooms in total, 35 normal rooms and 1 suite. So we'll take a quick look at heritage and let you know what heritage looks like, what the rooms looks like, and what it actually feels like.
The Heritage Wing is a true embodiment of the original architecture at the Midland Hotel when it first opened in 1906, only now with a modern twist. Spanning 3 floors, the 35 standard-sized rooms are spacious and fully equipped. Boasting a queen-sized bed, TV, ample space for your belongings, coffee station, and a modern-style bathroom. With more space allocated to the Heritage Suite, it presents the perfect setup for individuals or couples. An added living room makes for enough space to sit and relax, read a book, or simply spend time together. Queen-sized bed, coffee station, safe box, and a larger bathroom with both a shower and bathtub collectively bring out the value of this suite. A newer accommodation wing within the hotel is the signature wing. Housed within a 4-story building, this wing boasts 46 spacious rooms, 2 of which are suites. These are perfectly suited to guests who desire a little more space to relax and unwind. All rooms are equipped with Wi-Fi and are also soundproof, with the double-glazed windows ensuring you have a noise-free stay.
Alright, so while we're taking a quick tour of the different rooms that they have here from the Heritage Wing, we're now in the Signature Wing. We're going to take a look at the suites. So this is our room, it's room 425, and it's one of 2 suites that they have here at the Midland Hotel.
The Signature Suites at the Midland Hotel are a perfect combination of comfort and luxury. Embracing a colonial setting of days gone by, this modern suite has all the amenities you would need for a relaxing stay. The ample space is ideal for a family, as children have enough room to play, move about, and feel right at home, which is the motto of the establishment.
So it's about that time for a meal. It's lunchtime, and the Midland Hotel is known for a signature dish that they've had in their menu for the longest time. Many people used to come and stop by the Midlands specifically when they're on a trip to grab some lunch here because of this dish. It is their rotisserie chicken. It is to die for. I'm hungry and I think it's a time for us to just grab something to eat from the restaurant, reminding you that they do have an a la carte menu and sometimes they do also have their buffet. So let's head on down there and see what we're gonna grab for lunch today.
Mealtime is always a treat at the Pazuri restaurant. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you are sure to have your taste buds tantalized. A must-try when you visit, however, is the Midland farm-style smoked chicken. The legendary taste of this dish still attracts food lovers from far and wide. The a la carte menu will have you spoiled for choice, with a delicious array of delectable dishes and decadent desserts. The Midland Hotel also has a secondary restaurant, the Maili 446, which is a popular choice for business lunches or conference refreshments. For lighter snacks and refreshments, the Pazuri Coffee Shop offers round-the-clock service. It's the perfect meeting place to catch up with friends or business partners over a quick bite and the best cup of coffee in town. The Midland Hotel is not just about great accommodation and amazing food, but also offers ideal conferencing facilities. The hotel boasts a total of 5 dedicated meeting spaces, which can cater to anything from business workshops to birthday parties and wedding receptions. The Nia Boardroom offers a more office-oriented space, perfect for smaller presentations and business meetings. If you prefer the outdoors, however, the beautiful Midland Gardens are available to host your private events and make for a perfect setting, whatever the occasion.
Before we go down to dinner, Winnie Kirigo, she's in charge of sales and marketing here at the Midlands Hotel. She came to check in on us, and I figured we might as well just pull her and put her on camera and put her on the spot. Hi, Winnie.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
It's good to have you here with us, having a quick chat. Just want to know a little bit about Midlands, what you'd like the people who would like to come and stay in this establishment, what you'd like them to know about the establishment. If you have anything that we might have missed out to mention, maybe you can just have a quick chat with us.
First is to appreciate the Cradle of Life for this opportunity
you.
to be able to explore and showcase what Nakuru is, what African is, and in this case, what Midland holds. So Midland, with all the history and since 1906, it's not about the ancient things. We don't want people to know us as the Zamani people. So we want to showcase that we are renovated, we are up to date, and our services, we have premium accommodation, conference facilities, and our meals are, of course, over the top.
They are, for sure. Trust me, I've tried them.
Yes, so the Midland chicken, we do the Sunday brunch. Every Sunday we do brunches, and just for 2,000 shillings you can come and enjoy with your family.
Which is fantastic.
Karibu sana with your family. Yeah, that's what I would say. We've been known for being the first hotel in Nakuru, the oldest hotel in Nakuru. That's a badge we own now. But we also want to own the badge of being the busiest hotel in Nakuru. We want to be the high-rated hotel in Nakuru. So that's one of our objectives, and we hope we can get there. Thank you so much for the opportunity to go around and enjoy our services.
Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to actually do this, because I think a lot of people have not seen Midlands as is today. Many people maybe came here back in the day and they've not had an opportunity to come back, and so I guess a lot of people, their mind is still based on Midlands, what it was before, and not what it has transformed to be. So it's good insight for people who want to travel to Nakuru. If you're traveling to Nakuru, this is the place to stop over, take some time to relax and unwind and enjoy it, because I can guarantee you, because we have experienced it, it is absolutely fantastic. So Winnie, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and karibu tena.
Asante sana. Asante sana.
day of rest should naturally include a hearty dinner, and the Midland Hotel takes this seriously. Let the chef whip you up something fresh and fragrant, or choose from some of the uniquely crafted options on the menu. Either way, satisfaction is guaranteed.
And there you have it. That's a wrap on African explorations of the Midland Hotel, reminding you it is located in such a great position here in Nakuru, and it has everything that you could need if you're taking a holiday, if you need some time to get away, whether you're from the county or you're from any other part of Kenya. This is a hotel you do want to come and visit. It's been a blast. It's been a pleasure to be here. It's been relaxing, and yep, it's time to explore somewhere else. So we'll be looking at the Cradle of Life for another place to explore. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share, and share it around. Let people know what Kenya and different hotels have in store for you to explore. Till next time, ciao.